Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2015 Honda Accord 2.4. so right now the problem is with the message right there. It says check charging system. Now you can see it says check charge system. Now you can see there's no check engine light at all. Let me try to turn on the car. So I turn on the car, the battery light doesn't show anything at all. The message still say charge system. Now if you guys wonder, the letter N, this car has an issue with the neutral safety switch. Now you can see it's in park, but my car says, the cluster says neutral. I hit the brake, try to shift it, doesn't shift. But I'm gonna save this one for the for another video. So right now my main one is the message right there. It says check charge system. Now I'm gonna go to engine, and then I'm gonna go to code, engine code. Temporary and permanent, it's the same thing. Now you can see this is the message for the battery sensor. Now this code right here is for the negative terminal for the sensor. This is on the negative right here. I bought this one OEM. This is the part number from Honda. Cost me about 50 bucks. So I'm gonna show you how to check the battery and the alternator to make sure it's okay, it's charging okay. I believe the battery is okay, so I can start it every time when I turn over the key, so it starts every time. So I believe the battery is okay, but I'll show you how to check the battery and the alternator since there's a message. Now the first thing I'm going to check is the battery. So this is a 12-volt battery, code cranking amp. Now this one says 425 for the code cranking amp. Test battery. Now you can see the battery health is state of health, so 100%. Battery's okay. For the charging is at 65%, so that's the alternator. Now I have the engine running. I'm gonna check the alternator. Now you can see the alternator is charging at 14.2. That's really good. I'm gonna probe it to the alternator, my positive to the positive lead of the alternator. It says 14.4, so this is a good alternator still. Now for a good charging alternator, it should be 13 volt and higher and 14.5 volt and under, so that's a good charging alternator. Now we are in spec, it's 14.2, 14.4, so that's good. Now I'm gonna take out my negative terminal, so I already got it loosened. For the connector right here, press on the tab, pull. I'm gonna loosen the positive too, just in case, just to be safe. Go. Take this one out. Take this one out, the old one. Now you can see this is my new one. That's the part number I'm showing you again. So I'm gonna put the new one in. Then I'm gonna put the sensor into the negative terminal first, and then reconnect my positive and then my negative. Now I got both of my terminal back. Check the battery sensor wire. Make sure the pin in here is good. It's not corroded or damaged. Check the wires in back. Make sure there's no rip, no tear, anything damaged. If it's good, just plug it back. Now just go ahead and turn on the car and then clear the check engine light. The message should go away now. So right now I'm gonna key on. Yeah, so there's no more message. Now I'm just gonna go back to my scanner. Now let me show you the code one more time. That's the code. So here, so I'm gonna go back to, so engine, go back to the code. Permanent. There you go. You can see still there. Temporary, the same thing. And then now I'm gonna clear the code. That's it. So this one's pretty simple, just a battery sensor. Now I'm gonna turn the car back on. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. Don't mind, I'm out. Peace.